Welcome to another Style Guide. Today we are talking about styling your entryway. So your entryway is such an important space in your home because it's the first thing that someone sees when they walk in your house. One of the things that I love putting in entryways is a vintage Turkish rug. I love vintage rugs because they're 50 to 100 years old. They're so durable. They only get better with age. So the more wear and tear I tell my clients, the better. You don't have to worry about stains, and they just give your house some soft color, some character. They make such a statement. Next is your lighting. A lot of times we're having to do flush mounts or semi-flush mounts in the entry, but they can still be amazing. So we chose this cocoa bead lantern style chandelier, and one of the most important things to me is the bulbs. The color of the bulbs has to be that warm glow, and also I love a round bulb. It just looks more modern. Next is your entry console or chest. For this entry, we actually chose something with a little bit of storage because our clients needed that. It's a woven grass cloth drawer set. So great for storing like sunglasses, your mask, your phone, all the things that you want to tuck away and hide. And then also I either do a box or a bowl on top for car keys. So that keeps them hidden and tucked away. Also, I love to display family photos in an entry and also have a candle lit. So when your guests walk in, you kind of have this little moment. We did this beautiful lamp that has this wavy texture, really pretty to have on at nighttime, and then the woven mirror behind. So just a few tips and tricks for styling your entryway so you can make a statement when guests come in. Of course, all of these accessories can be found on our shop, online, or in person at our shoppable warehouse.